I'm going to show you how to color your chocolate, how to flavor your chocolate, and how to dip your apples and drizzle your apples and decorate your apples the DIY Queen Diva way. But first, let me introduce myself. I am the DIY Queen Diva. Make sure you hit that like, subscribe, and notification bell to keep updated with me in all of my videos. I have my Ghirardelli white vanilla flavored melt-on wafers that I purchased from Walmart. I have Hobby Lobby bamboo pop sticks. These are Hobby Lobby's paper straws. Color Mill to color your chocolate. Loren's cotton candy flavor. You will need a large measuring cup to melt your chocolate. You will need a heat-resistant spatula. My North Carolina Granny Smith apples. Okay, so I am going to insert the wooden sticks in each apple. I am using my kitchen mallet because I had a hard time getting the first wooden stick in. So I want to make sure my wooden sticks are going in straight. You just need to hammer down halfway through the apple. Okay, so we have the wooden sticks in. And now I am going to place my Hobby Lobby straws on top of each wooden stick. Okay, it's time to melt the chocolate. Now, of course, I am using good old Ghirardelli chocolate. So I am going to pour my wafers in my measuring cup and put 3 tablespoons of vegetable oil. That's all I need for Ghirardelli. Ghirardelli is a great chocolate. Now I am just coating my wafers before I place them in the microwave and melt every 15 seconds until melted. I am using Color Mill to color my chocolate. If you want the best of the best, Color Mill is on the top of the list. I will also place the link down below where you can purchase Color Mill. And since I am using cotton candy flavor, I wanted my chocolate to be a pink color. And I am using actually Color Mill candy color. So I am just giving my chocolate a good stir. Me personally, I am using 1/4 of a teaspoon. I wouldn't use more than a teaspoon of flavoring with Loren's. Okay, this is the right flow that I want my chocolate to be. I am going to show you my piping bag that I will be using to drizzle. These come from Hobby Lobby. Now I am just going to dip each apple. And I'll scrape the extra chocolate on the side of the measuring cup. I'm dipping another apple. And this is such a pretty color. Dip and swirl right on out. Okay, I am pouring my chocolate in my piping bag to get ready for my drizzle. I am tying my piping bag in a knot. I will cut the tip of the piping bag. And then I will test my drizzle once my candy apples already. So okay, it looks like my candy apples are dry and ready, and I am going to give each apple a drizzle by just going back and forth, rotating my hand back and forth. Just go back and forth with your drizzle, and that's it as far as your drizzle. Let me do one more. How about another one? Another one. I just love to drizzle chocolate on my apples. This is a pretty color and a pretty drizzle. Now let's decorate. So I got these artificial flowers from the Dollar Tree. You can just pull the flowers off, and once you do that, I am also going to take the leaves off. Once you do that, you're just going to put hot glue, put a dab of hot glue on the back of the flowers and leaves and attach it to your candy apple stick. I'm from North Carolina, so I love beautiful flowers. Artificial or real, I love flowers. So instead of using the candy apple bows that I am kind of bored of, I wanted to put some flowers on my candy apples. And look, ta-da, these are so cute. Thank you so much for watching. And don't forget to hit that like, subscribe, and notification bell to keep updated with me and all of my videos. Bye-bye.